this is Melanie from Makeup by Melanie B, and today I'm going to do just a quick makeover for a birthday party. My grandson's gonna be, or it has turned 4, and they're gonna do just an outdoor thing. I do have one of my migraines, but I figured I gotta put a little makeup on, why not record and show you a few things that I'm gonna do today. So I think I'm just going to do my video and add a voiceover later so that I can just focus on doing the makeup, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm starting with the Calendula Oil, and I'm using that even after I have put on moisturizer. I just need a little extra moisture for my super dry skin. And now I'm going in with CC Cream in medium and a sponge and just making sure that is good and even. That is my go-to foundation for now. I put a little extra under the eyes and around the area of my cheeks, and that kind of helps to cover some of that redness that I have. Now I have the Fit Eyeshadow Primer, and I'm going to put that on just to make sure, since I'm going to be outside and sweaty, that I am going to keep everything in place. So I've got the matte liquid lipstick in Skin, and I've put that in the crease. Now I'm taking a blender brush and just kind of sweeping that out, blending it, making sure it doesn't have any harsh lines. And I'm finally getting my vision back about right there. All right, and I am going in now with the Pink Glow eyeshadow, creamy eyeshadow. It is amazing stuff, you guys. I'm really kind of obsessed with it. All right, so that's going on with the Farmasi eye makeup eyeshadow brush. I'm sorry, you guys. All over the lid, and then I'm just taking that blender and kind of blending those two together. Now the 3-in-1 face palette is kind of what I'm going to use for the majority of the rest of this video. The highlight color is going on the brow bone and in the inner corner, and I'm just kind of smoothing it out. This is the Vanilla Diamond Mono Shadow. Can't even speak. And that went on the inner third. Now I'm going in with the face palette, just the bronzer part, and I'm using that as my eyeliner. And then I took a little bit and added some more depth to my crease with that brown in that 3-in-1 face palette. And then I just take it and blend it out. Now I didn't do any eyeliner or anything like that today because I'm going to be outside, but I did go in with the waterproof BeFit mascara, and I only put on 1 coat pretty much. I just like to make sure my eyelashes are even, so sometimes it may look like it's more than that, but I just want to make sure they're all straightened out. Okay, so I'm going to use the blush out of that 3-in-1 face palette and mix it with a little bit of the bronzer to get a warmer blush to go with that warm eye look, and it turned out pretty nice. All right, so that is the liquid concealer in light ivory. And then you notice I just put quite a bit on because when I have a migraine, it makes my eyes look sunken. So I'm trying to kind of remove some of that deep look under my eyes. I don't want anybody knowing I'm feeling horrible. And especially since it's a 4-year-old birthday party outdoors, I was just barely getting my feeling back in my arms at this point. All right, so I put that in the corner. And then I'm going in with the number 2 Miss Sparkle Lip Gloss, which I love. It's very warm and pretty. And that was the entire look. And then I decided to go ahead and put some powder over the top of some of that just to make sure it stayed in place while I was at this party. And that is the my favorite Terracotta 02 face powder. So it gave me a little brightness. Thank you guys as always for watching. I appreciate you being patient with me while I had this migraine and had to do a voiceover. And don't forget to subscribe and like and share, and be sure to join me at the group. Have a wonderful day, and thank you as always for watching.